Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add two or more overlay in CapCut PC. Alright, so first I'm going to add the main image. So I'm going to change for aspect ratio and how to add two or more overlay. Yeah, you can select the image or overlay you have to clip, so put on top another clip. Can also remove the background like so and add another overlay, put on top another clip and remove the background. And you can also add another overlay again, so put on top another clip and blending the overlay. Alright, so that's how you can add one or two more another overlay in CapCut PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.